Blueberry muffins. Who doesn't love a good blueberry muffin? You can get them in different sizes. You can get them in different textures. Today on Versus, we're going to compare homemade blueberry muffins with store-bought ones. These muffins here came from our local grocery store, and we're going to see if we can get our homemade ones to at least resemble these. So let's get to the kitchen, mix up these batters, and get out here and compare these two blueberry muffins. Let's head to the kitchen. All right guys, we're here in the kitchen, back at it again, doing the blueberry muffins this time. What I have in front of me are all the ingredients required for homemade blueberry muffins with fresh blueberries. We're going to pit that against some muffins that I bought from a professional bakery. These should take about 20-25 minutes in the oven at 400. Let's get to mixing this stuff up. Muffins originated as humble 10th century Welsh yeast cakes before evolving into two distinct types: the savory, griddle-cooked English muffin and the sweeter, oven-baked American muffin. While English muffins date back centuries, American quick bread muffins gained popularity in the 19th century and became staples by the 1950s. In 1747 in England, the first known recipe for a muffin is published in Hannah Glass's The Art of Cookery Made Plain and Easy. In early 1800s, muffin men sell yeast-leavened English muffins and a popular street food snack for tea time. Okay, now we're going to make the crumble that goes on top of the blueberry muffins. It's just flour, sugar, butter, and cinnamon. So let's mix that up, get it ready. Then we'll put it all in the pan and get it in the oven. All right, now we got our crumble made, and we're going to put our batter in the tins, the muffin tins, and then we're going to sprinkle this crumble on top and put it in the oven. In the mid-1800s, the American muffin emerged, using an early leavening agent and later baking soda, shifting the texture from bread to cake-like. They are often called gems and cooked in cast iron pans. In 1874, British expat Samuel Bath Thomas developed the first commercial English muffin in New York City. Between the 1920s and the 1950s, the first commercial muffin mixes are developed, and packaged muffin mixes become widely available, popularizing diverse flavors like blueberry and corn. All right, we got these done. I hope I didn't overfill them. Maybe they'll just make the big muffin tops. So we got the crumble on there. I put liners in here, so they're kind of buckled up in some areas. We'll see how that turns out. Hopefully it doesn't, it comes out in the cooking process. Let's get it in the oven.
A few moments later.
All right, those came out of the oven. They look really good. I really like the way the crumble looks, and they rose up to be really nice little muffins. But the proof is in the pudding, so to speak. So let's get in there. Try these up against the ones I got from the grocery store. The verdict. On my left is the store-bought blueberry muffin, and on the right is the one I made with the crumble on it. They both have a little crumble. Mine has the fresh blueberries that kind of exploded. I kind of like that. It kind of gives it a visual dynamic that this one doesn't have. Makes it more appetizing. But as always, the true test is in the taste. So let's try it. We're going to try the store-bought one first. That's pretty good. It's nice and moist. Got a good blueberry flavor to it. Not over sweet. The top of it's not hard. That's quite an enjoyable blueberry muffin. But let's try the one I made homemade from scratch. Oh, that's delicious. I will say, the top of it is a little harder, but I put more of that crumble on it, and that hardened up in the oven. But boy, that cake is just wonderful. It tastes like homemade cake. Those fresh blueberries just explode with flavor. Man, that's really good. Caroline's gonna be pleased. She's gonna really like this. Well, you heard it here first, folks. The judge likes the homemade one better, and so do I. Well, that's it for this version of Versus. The homemade beat the store-bought, and we're gonna keep this ball rolling. Our next video should be coming out soon, and it will be a nothing bundt cakes versus. We're going to attempt to make the mini bundt cakes with the cream cheese icing that Nothing Bundt Cakes has. And then we're going to put it up against an actual Nothing Bundt Cakes mini bundt cake. So stick around if you're interested in that. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want me to try on Versus. And we'll see you guys on the next video.